Usu our heche as coach for Kotoko Sentia and Ra was a son who be Joe Manko for kind dem nano and na Orchimono.
Watched all the games since he scored those goals. You see, the goals are not coming. So it's a long time. No, it's about 4 or 5 matches until he should go. So it's a part of us too. Where he's standing, he's just have to tap the ball in. Just have to tap the ball in, and he's not doing it. And I'll keep this fans out here. There's no goal. We get there, and then all the games come to us. Why we can just now just play a war part to be the defensive? That's what we try. We are telling him when we get in front of the turf, just try and place it. And he was just still ballooning. When we went to Wenchi, it was so obvious, clear. Amor took the ball, cut in, go to him, and then they always want to finish it up in the end. That was the problem we had. And then we needed someone who can hold the ball to weave through.
Me ana bese nanajma na me na coach we no nanajma be yiro me had answer so le material pa o akwara slash na audio hey okay ti ma me fa your champion de nto aso ho was so e bi obi free league ne media ma de kwa wi a e da so ye opening nyina no and it's 6 points there unya draw na so lose mi no kra. They say
they make me can say 13 open because say Obed do 6 points. It's just 2 games. Into a board room, you know, ni just say what you know, no. So we do 1 there, ni just the same point now because a board room now we near you are then medium at the next game, you know. So share How United one record so now their away record so more improve. It won't be easy. So I don't think American says they say the aye open kakra. My right is some of the teams off like say American say has on to mean J League. We are now Kotoko on to mean J League. No, we have 10 more matches to go. Until let's see how it goes. Anything at all can happen. Top 4 no money now or chance on to me a winning league, and now more down also 11 wonders there is out.
Wonders out. My main father refused manager and twice na yanjicha breno prekona. Ya hwedi benya de amamu ewe chinamo so brendura. Motimi afrebi. Alas Kote refused manager. And a day to gase emrana. Omudi ye adwuma wo Ford no so no. Sometimes ubenya ni ya na opposition no and na the best.
Refereeing and interpretation of the laws is based on your position. So if on the field of play, so if your position is not good, you may analyze a situation or maybe an incident wrongly. Just yesterday there was a video that we just watched, and it was a second division match here in Accra. It has to do with offside. The assistant one flagged for offside, and of course his decision was right because the attacker had or made an impact on the goalkeeper. So in the loss of the game, we say that he has interfered with an opponent. The referee acknowledged and he disallowed the goal. Then the assistant two, who was far off, who had nothing to do as far as that incident was concerned, intervened. Maybe he turned himself into a VR and then he intervened. And the whole team had to change their decision and took a goal. This is very serious. So positioning on the field of play is very, very important. Now, the loss of the game, you see, it is just like two lawyers. They will go to the court and they will argue on a case. Yes. They will make references to cases. It is only the judge who will come to interpret these references that the lawyers have made. At the end of the day, he will pronounce his judgment. So it's the same with referee.
Let's go to say referee Jennifer no so now to the nation hona assessor refuse assessor to what yeah now you're careful.
When a referee knows that an assessor is there, he's careful, especially in his decision making, because he knows that at the end of the match, a senior person will sit him down and do a debriefing, okay? And like I said, we want to develop. We don't want to be destroyed. And that is the main work of, an assessor. We develop a lot. Every week we do or we embark on, we have created a platform that we call technical review. And so we get a lot of clips after match days, and so we share these clips amongst ourselves as the technical instructors, and then we analyze it, and then maybe on a Tuesday or on a Wednesday we call these referees.
Good. Memfa we into asona yenye kakranka yenye tie se new board wa nche ye udin ebeto dwa meeting kase bia tima to dwa ewo enkran bia wa mo hwe ne mo so coach si hwe kira na se ene yi se de nhye pro so nyema ekono ombe so mo ye nyema ntem ni nyina no ne se ombetuma appoint CEO mprempren ya se de be ya obehwe season kakra ya kai na season foforo na yebewura mu no mo ya guidelines a omode ebekọ na coach foforo obefa no ono so atime hu Kotoko bebi a ode ebekọ maka cho se omaho odin ba kopa ebeye youth team no omdo maho odin bewura mu no ya ka kire mo se youth team no mo modern na mo strengthen na eje enso ye bebi a omani ebehwe eno no ye one plans a encho omode beba no bebi a kofa pipa form no eye eje youth team nyama me ni we de free one plans nti awie ya de eba no se meeting no as a bia and my name ye chief executive officer betumi aba na abehwe chi kakra na wo de agina so ama season no a kire de Kotoko direction no ebetumi akọ edimi no na motie ne de production team no hwehwe mu ne bia beso avu mu nyina samati George free ho na Newton so din betwa mu nti esoevu a Newton da so bere se no so din bai on ka de on ka ho ho bi no din bai okay enti yanya ne sa danger na onya danger de na solo kanana danger
senka obema ibeseka itie supporters ne kaka
okay no so ehia pa menti o mana okay
wako cha atade kakra ka we se fugu e de aba bejina na de Kotoko ye class team ana Kotoko ye class what's atade kakra ka we e de ntimi kura se Kotoko just nice e mo bon sa kama kura ma ohu kura nya akono ma ya ye ba be hwebo no kura bon no nya akono kura ya alice de ni to bencha ye hu bibi mira ya pa but ye di blame ne be ma ye press no e bi dis aba Kotoko e bi ne Kotoko material almost sankasa ye kan kure almost started from Aduana has and ye baba ki bro o disappoint say management say eba no ye here changes for technical bench so bia akọ they are not deserve Kotoko o tun for wakasa mo no what they are saying now ye here changes to Kotoko ye here changes by ye best the be Kotoko materials omo nko the yam be team foforo and we be boy kore ya
oka nya team sa de ayet ma de team kire o se de danger ya na wo de so se visa danger ba ho na fa na tade na nwa wo hye na ebi se eso hye yi no ya na de ato so na ma ka tade ne se lose na anku draw da ba itu ma ko twa ba na police to tade ngu wani kama ho eso so ya draw ba dia bi ko fota de ba
the first no shade greens is also white.
White. White is so so
one visible change on the Abakoto.
Okay. Then I'm going to tell you
typical of soccer fans, football fans. You go into games with an expectation say your team benya including the amaye. And he said including na ama Obo said na afi no obi a person ochire na dwen which because we live in a free world na kabima min kabi eye dominant wa ha ninti no eba ne sa no a untimi kasa nti
enra de ni ana
no enene
mo amena mesa mo ame atare we no akara na
amba
no
enti no se wo mo bon ko mo bon ne nsa na so na wo se yede
that's something there
na tare am hwe yi ayi pesa we dey yi no first o ne hwe ase ne kakra ne hwe se tade
no you touch like no it's not touch like na be hu ni game no cost no
yeah no dey no nya omunya no ka but we dey somebody cry out say
ball na nkasa ye nyine
enu me ye ka na tade dey be
no ye nyine no dia ma no typical of supporters on bekasa and e wo ba bia but you see so Obed I want to hear with you now. In as much as Michelle sentiment, say if the language or the statement or the comment is that, and for as a patronage, and conform because of what they are giving to us, a better a lot of work also to bring them back. me no ya adwen say ball no obia free fie say or stadium or compare a normal mienu and amiensa entertainment and resource. You want to be entertained, you want to get results. And the anka in a way no kabeka say even kwana no negotiable. But football so normal amiensa na wom ye be hye wo be hye na ebia must pretty resource no points and a draw na bibia na obi de ko. Ni nyina no ye mo 90 minutes ni nwie ni de emu ba ko na besie. Esia you take it and then you hope say next time ebu hono ma a team will lose trophy and a cup cry but still you don't give up. You know team say follow baby we asim nyina it happens every now and then and yet still every day over court. He said say Obed okay you cannot shun your love for the club and I guess I would there you rather work to save the situation.
Yeah, man,
yes,
I bet.
So it's painful and it's true. Say, Obed fee wherever you are coming from.
The Bia one idea change quite yard. I forgot to be the cast. I'm better not even here say I was here. And
maybe pen for they will have a voice. I don't pay no about gentlemen because I'm someone to TV. I went and told them.
More than
because we are Kotoko. Now at the chain, now join another team. You won't come back and speak Kotoko matters. Me, I don't trust such people. Your loyalty must be.
Leave here, say, can you know, coin or banana?
Your loyalty should be with. Be loyal to the and son of Bayase. And yes, I now can be a metas here. Minka say, my and Komobia and Casau. That's a Mekasa. No matter what to be some Moncasa. But who of Utim if you knew not the estimate just now can be named I from near Bonnie at Neno. But young Kano Cranson the key stakeholders and I pass over touch here. And I agree with him. The playing body, the technical team, and all the other decision makers. Say people come all the way from wherever to the stadium. Say they want to see something. A man crunch and say bibi and that nothing tickle your fancy to want to go to the stadium to go and watch the game. Because Ubekobiano na a disappointment. Once go on more ya show and I draw. But to me say opponent na the boy no. Na ne ho odin to the extent that where they get to me say almost on buy pa. Where they it's we don't buy you so then you accept it. But bo ho to me say we pa there. Ka ball on boy dey say my home so kakra bia. Kebianka will be better. Na unhu that good performance na. And now say bia unhu say coach no. Bia bench ho ogina no. He doesn't seem to be reading the game. And I said, as a moon who the echo to advise him, say, Yen to me say, yes, some client, yes, a car, yen to Sahamo. Now, and change the resource. Once I say, yo, inquire you be.
Share any crutch me when him.
Papa. I say, you be. So, a band is Hanua, a ma, Obia, what bitches castle over her ball. No credit said next time I will catch and so on. One will be cast up the pants and wait us. But he also say we all should be there. Except those are not a striker on himself or neighbor, what the positioning. And he clearly anticipated that the ball could come to him. But look at the technique. Look at the technique. Sammy, defender didn't say, my judge to Babon a cotton busso. Into the bush of Cotoy, no.
I didn't butcher.
Look at the technique. Was a striker of your caliber.
Wasn't when you're heady.
Of say, Bono, send an airban. There was nowhere. Not send an ordinary book or no between the pin born at native. And now, me who did this how on home. He felt Bono cross so lie. Say cross so liar. And yet, as I said, my more than the now or you know. And seriously. Players na kasanso so. As I said, almost sorry, because they are paid to do this job. Media there be a problem back with players no. You are paid to do this job. Where Juma way no. Now training now okay training. Women da na ko said that ko jina ko promotion na ko demonstrate na training ni nyina. Wo kwa na we bibia anya yi. And na maso Obed ka say family krom no. Ni nyina nko hebi are they really training? Because coaches here for mu tuo muka. would offer where technique ben not the born not in the hinebo. The namu, the nasi, the naso, and now the or the nano they won. So, who ne send or ye born now. Who ni nano part and person or the born. So the could nana him nebo, so the nano su nebo, so the nana si nebo, so the nana no ne was so you just don't know. And a player will bokotoko. Ubo makumasa Asante Kotoko offer.
Ubo so na men ko a chedi ho.
The players themselves, the technical team, and me or mama can no. I think say some way offer referral Scotty. A commenter and some more kind is CA. I think as what you to me so feeling.
Aden.
Because of as referees manager. Or responsibility back and yet and they say you're picking referees on good match. But we're picking referees on them the match no. I'm game a resource na bona ye we are because so referees in the umbom homo dempa. Now no ya than a lie back Kumasi. You don't hear people raising issues with the performance no. You may have some misgiving here and there. Yet you know to me say a human institution. Therefore, I know the unyano 100. And but you give you much room for mistakes kakrani sanomano. But look at the error he was describing to us. And he, as referees manager, he was so comfortable.
Or refer to position and I say assess and the now kind.
Say there was an offside decision. And now referee now assistant referee one no baby ojina no. Or no flag offside. And on one say and panel decision was right. And a referee also accepted say decision now the assistant referee the abano. And one also accepted. The referee only be on Kahubi. Second assistant two no on decision no. And so on game no.
Or that time na hono be na born on Kahu.
No not me about the catch or me no match accepting your decision. What kind of referee are that? Or are they? Can they why issue statement say what you want to because whatever influence them, men can't try inside, men can't try keke.
But was such an onion mumrebi. Say,
Ava. Penya botrema nkomo ni. Na yenhwe nkomo na se ye na. Why story bi ama mani ajepa. Me sure the story now why na Asante Kotoko chita for pibiri so ani baji. The new board appointing a CEO na omo appointed a coach as soon as possible yeah. Story back over the pa. About team Komonua. There are nipple breakers so with 10 matches to go court commit major league. On time common was no one and announced our guest and him for cabino. Say we are a champion. So league no bit major. Of no crap mathematically. Kotoko 39 points on.
No mun true time, because mo true time.
Oh,
after no me saying no mun true time.
30 points.
39 points. And I got 30 points. The 30 no crowd when you 25 you are hitting around there 64 points. Which is possible. You can win the league. Well, last year I think said Go Stars the 62. We were 18 clubs no. I think the other highest I just cried got 65. Until over 60 we were 61 to major league. Enti idea betimi ayi now say insem na ya na ye ka na ye de hye nipa nkura ye wi ani asama nipa nsesi fom
ajabi ti ase de ka dada
we say no kura ntu bibieda this current Kotoko setup the technical unit and the playing body sem from afufuro bi amfiri ba bi ambe wura mu a de omu ye die of a Kotoko best from 8th to 4th. Top 3 no kra yenyim common to nchen. Over, me say top 3 yenyim common to 8th to 4th. That would be the best position Kotoko can occupy. Because the play of the team is nothing good to write home about. Huh? Oh, say duru bia ni ayem fatum bia na. Of us here the chichire wure. Oh, say United boy Everton 10 men. And so Everton show mo. Of us here so bobo no when you one man advantage. I had so ko three exams na po asset. Akwala wa bon pa na po set you still feeling. Wa we sua de kakra no. upon the set over no I top up ube pass it so the winya e krana ubenya trade dim but the one ball pan upon set to crest how confusing coach awon nya no any man the opponent red card and was I confused now the opponent to be reorganizing who ye are preventing a defeat as against wenya that one man advantage no. That is what is happening in Kotoko at the moment. Over and only the Ekoso. Oh yeah, they bought against Vision FC. Now Vision a red card around the 70th minute. Now the king kung. Now your goalkeeper need to be the hero of the day even after so opponent the red card. I said, "Why can't him for?" And the red card nearby, come on, now free players do back no. Ebe jina won chain. Any omo kasa say nkofo the red card say see refa. Sorry a game now. Immediately Ali Di Mohammed the red card. Vision FC had 3 changes boom. Obi o game ni bi ehun. Or had 3 changes.
Tactical change.
Offer. He realized the job of Alidu. I don't who said there be red card about. But the wingers are more speed beba. Without the bomb bebe chiri.
Omboko na we
mo. Yenya ball na ye bottom one because Kotoko no ebe pe go nti ombebe anim. Enti yenya ani abo atum no dimrik. Enti wo che ya. After the red card, they had more counter-attacking situation to punish Kotoko. They sit deep. Omunya abo na 2, 3, 4 passes. No mo ye ru Kotoko for half. And one sem na make. This is tactical. The last time here Masu Didi Dramani. After the red card, Captain Ebro yi Hussein kura finament ase. Red card ne ba ye na no yi Hussein no de amankwa ba fi beto. Entu steady amankwa adwuma ne say. Kakari be kan finfi obe ye Hussein adwuma no. E no ma amankwa ba fi bo 2 and 7 ni bo mu. Etiri pa ba ko no. Ha se ko nani ma no watubri kako. Enam so po afra ne. Ene Karim wo honi ntino. Okwa na o ba shem. Na o po abeshem na e back 4. Na so no akogina number 7 ho. Etikam no ba pe no po ba mfinfin. You see something over who see a shisha bibi ye nwini bibi. I don't want some na ye ka no. Yen obi ani asem. Over pacha uti. Now let's go to the tactical issues. Coach Prince Owusu in common ya onya abotre kakra. Kotoko Lusu has and okoye press conference a goalkeeper na me Lusu ye. The last 2 matches, they were Kotoko Kamara. On na save
after on we take you over. So on 2-3 matches no come.
The third match.
Third match boy.
First match will be a Kai so post match be or can point blank say a goalkeeper's error. The goalkeeper cost us. And now also Joe. Over. It's quite unfortunate. I first abet me a con Joe born or buffer bar. But it was sad one of those with you know. Chances now those messy you know. Where Joe you know Peter na low cross. Vision FC player na Clermont over. And aso to £1 visa. And a kobo Joe Kotoje. So it was I say within a brief second. I'm not holding brief for Joe there. Ekonya abutro betimi the ball na to atrem. Of amekrama kasa so ha Joe a. Asa the whole prince obenya go. Intimi Joe ni nyina eden etum. Of a ball ni. Ball na e kan hwehwe we. Na fa compare those with chances no messy. Oh baby I Joe abejiran. Ti say na you and a pint no boy.
Oh that's what that's how I know where the boy ko yende.
Oh send ya den. To we no so on tap in.
Bisa sabe bi na me hwade.
Oh send ya den. It say na enya boy I expect it. It just say aba no abo ni boom. Ekonya abotan ko betimi abo ahye de.
By the time so can go also as a decision at once now so yeah we here.
Na yan ko hwe mienu na those say no. Joe to some extent. You admit
and who refers that and those one coming channel now say na.
I want to be no. Joe to some extent. You even assume say oh no. Onye striker. Or a midfielder.
Sorry, General Mami, but some shade, General Mami.
Of about say on a midfielder. Born in your hair. It yes, born air corner. It yes, he missed the chance. Onya but try the technique would have been better. I go back to me about it. As an whole preno. Granted.
As a go my
Jajatu.
Ntino ba preno.
Good. Now let's go forward. Paul na Saka Dauda head and na air bang you check the distance of the ball towards the player. Second half from saying about three Peter there. Peter so the ball keeper na chain. Kotoko miss chances, no problem. We unko enim kra baby aye we ball no one has chances no any first half or second half or baby kra. No ahe of a ball we ni she distance no. I head the ball we eba or ball we. Now compared to Jaudia na a ban no. Of about what they make can I say? Compare the two. This is the change Awuah as a coach when you felt that the players were playing samba. Of a sudden they may catch you say, "You better cross ahead. They must samba bebo any." Because I said, "Nada." Say, "Boy, there, boy, samba never pin you."
Kwa na obi bio.
Yeah, say, "If I see a ball cross ahead, they for samba bejum." Because last week cross ahead samba be shig. Ever pin will be pin share. Of about what I say. So my point is, you don't throw your players under the bus, sir. We be with Kamara. Now why be with Joe? Nipa no kura si enya abotre ka na asem no kura no nka. Bayambo Vision FC for number so. Of a well organized team. Coach was an Asare, former Asante Kotoko assistant coach. And now no wumbi. Of anti bo we you. We so don't do the hemame. Na ye twi bo we. She space no. Ah hu se bo we. Nti we no, wo de ne nye we de na ata apim obi abato anim preku no. And who cry a striker? Over who cry a striker? No, the goalkeeper na year. Keeper.
That be one charm on your head now because on who visa born out on. I have no. Trying to cut dollars.
Over.
Okay.
Now I heard somebody say and then announcement by say Lord Amoah. When you're AC.
Sure.
Yeah, and it's a very sad
one.
A sad one. You be hope he say of a Obenya speedy recovery. It's quite unfortunate. Say player pick form and engine. My point is, with the 10 matches to go, media me position here. The season is over. You used to start 10 matches, which is close to 3 months.
Fast.
For FA Cup. 10 matches no. You be born Sunday. Into 10 weeks. 10 weeks a year at the end of 2.5 months. Now you do we abi with them. You did a year FA Cup with them. So we are looking at till season we can see a real season. About 3 months. Offer let's appoint a coach. Our baby year man in the season.
Coach Ben never just added that to me. I know can why.
Let's appoint a coach. No never year man next season.
But okay.
Na ombra understudy one.
Coach is on problem. What else you bully give you?
Now nipa no open no ani abrea. Unko tunimba.
Hey, no me the team at all.
No bet me aye adwuma na unko tunimba. Ese ko ma coaches no Tanko ne Go Stars Brunium go fa ne bai. Omo na laptop abeka se. E bia open league agenti no. O ko fa na omba. Nti omo mi do mo ko fa mana. That's my point.
Back home. Yes. Back home. Coach somebody back home. Me do don watch me waduma.
Fine. Over at Tanko some no dey china oba. But my point is whoever is coming over, the person need to adapt over me no hear me pa. Kotoko decision our transfer window. Kotoko decision or transfer window. And we hear me pa. Say Coach Prince Owusu tonight to the end of the season now. The recommendation of Coach Prince Owusu and next coach in the Baby use. Every other pre-season will be too small for him to even know the players.
Okay.
But 10 matches here the enemy. Obed me the who player biya. I would dear so I can't plan on. Any dear so jano quite.
Sir Coach only to us before say I come here to us no. Momfa House of Folk supporters no mo say referees need do man say prefer visa photos na come here and to us. Sir. This is what you say. Come here, take over.
My statement. Oh, okay. Over to Basen is Yenya. And to Basen is Ubianya. But then, maybe if you say I will need to also have to commend the technical handlers of Vision FC. But first of all, I'm coach Yao Amankwa, and the formerly of House of Folk, formerly of Babiani Gold Stars, and a lot of other teams. He's also available to Kotoko. We have most of them. Coach Yao Amankwa, I'm a size. And he's OTA program. No, the of I'm in channel. Yeah.
As head coach and assistant, my young they all can.
As head coach, that's all. Also, Babiani Gold Stars. More, yeah. Oh, that's it. I am right. Yeah, sure. Over the coaches I'm beginning to like something. I don't know glad I can't see me. But I think that the coach of Vision FC in his pre-match press conference, Yabonifia, and what they are coming to do against Asante Kotoko. Obo Asante Kotoko last year, Kotoko Shen 4-1. Obo Asante Kotoko, Vision home, and game no ending goalless. And was say, was study Kotoko who says, "Oba no Kotoko be no banter ye Kotoko ebeshen." So this time around, they are going to play tight and make sure they will utilize the spaces as Asante Kotoko.
For sure. We
see so on Saturday catch that layer one catch layer say. Yes, before the Kotoko. Okay, all these records they cannot afford to lose to a Vision side. But then I saw me coaching Sasema Wakan because about the clay mission. Over that is what exactly they came to do. They allow Kotoko to have the ball, but some of the ball now they pounce on Kotoko loopholes. No, start opening Kotoko Jatuano, and Kotoko only came into the game part time on the record. So the day Kotoko Gibanya man of the match. No, it was Vision who were playing. Even though everybody Asante Kotoko possession, but Kotoko possession increase chance bia. And I just change back Kotoko play bia Kotoko. It will be with the exception of Lord Amoya. What play after I started play bia so bia no out for them to buy. Now to Baba class I catch it. Baba ya unzenka game cry taxi ya Baba ya mo type of players no. Who tend to some but on buy any anemfa. And Panama can say I think we are Kotoko supporters won. Including my own brother Obed. Almost all place in Niho.
Yes, so coach Beba more, Obohus more.
And when you talk coaching your mind, they say no. Coach the battle, your coach
Miranda, I was a place on what
Yabeka.
I don't want to cast us. Also, be a captain, be a vice, because some women are buying. I said the captain, and number 10 player, Obeka.
And I can say, coach, be the player. Original coaches in Yano. Over so we got a team no. Anyhow, our coach Prince Usua, I think that the pressure on him is too much. One, the press conferences, I'm not comfortable with. Say sometimes of mentioning players' name. And even those who the class okay after the game.
So pressure comes to money. Yes,
that and the man who how coach must have not do kind say. Kotoko in coach who has the character and maturity. And a coach, the other side, you know. Under pressure, you shouldn't be mentioning players' name or what sell them out. But you two, those boy, on a good day, be a player this year. Over, you don't mention him at the press conference. I overheard him saying that, say keep ahead of Baba, now say player, or you not the one. You see the point. Okay, sir. It's not only coaching, Kasa. But you to the pressure supporters in the man, no. And it's not like or one coach or by one penalty. Supporters in Shadanya, that in say, and none echo. I decided now to go for between. It's your cock rather born for other kind of shit as a moshe. But then, yeah, Kenya, no. Let's get more vision for no Abaso. Now, let's go to. Do we go can to my
as an sentiment or pack us a kind of my Nipa Casa Benam for
some time because I know Nipa we parent, you know. When I be a Nipa mono a certain level, you know. Or example, referee. Who's the referee? referee some yet no jump park no so and 4 Africa home. Okay, I do a first assistant. For example, oh yeah, Baba Sports Stadium. So you know first liner. And now first assistant. I say a mass on our show. The outside decisions the kwa mass will be a kwa side will be a second assistant will just say no. A shed ye outside decision be a eba amukum
VIP hano.
Eba amukum restaurant one.
Restaurant.
What was in the show? It's a day outside situation. Abba, fancy a mass side ho. Now start ref, you know, one a flag. Referee saw he said he's right, and I also want you to. Then the original Amokom one, he has no business in this area. On the Juma Maho. One of the catch them say, I dare no, you go. Now much you go, then on my. It's just a work on Jessica. It's a workers idea, you know. And so, what catches a sample for you, Pano. Yama police class have a form. Now, I'm going to be the Kugana football. Make you too. Some positioning. So, somebody tell me, say, and time I'm anthem. He got to go on channel, baby, you know. Rough no giant. What you know, house of one year. Her house of a boy, and no boy, Panati, Panatuko. And you have no refuge. Bonnie go for it. Oh, Bonnie go for it. Ah, yes, sir. But before I heard. But we are standing away. Now, over Castle, I defend you. Ever now, I do it. Over. Bonnie and the pay, then I probably Zakito has a wickedness. Nagana, you crack rasem. They make you the word we can use today. Are you criminal? I don't know. How many times and every president going can say, my headache has been officiating. Ya can't say officiating. You look at the best no more sign because of our individual selfishness.
Until house for statement.
What I say, because of our selfishness.
Yes, about this way.
My kind of grandma say, Ghana, there are teams on board about us on our class. I want to be league that. I want to be league that. But because of my opportunity of playing, no more don't pay. And these referees are assisting them.
Come here, 2 years and wrap up.
I think it's better over keep no mouth shut. Now you could dance. When you probably can more family as I do infantry of our time.
But that's come here. Let me show. Father, come also don't call the message about the coach Prince criticism about